Hindi, di mo nakikita.
Siluhin ko.
Pamukha
Tama
tayo
ito.
sa video na to.
Ano, ikaw
Hindi ako
yun?
muna.
Ikaw ko dyan. Wala na ba? Wala na.
Kumaso?
Namo.
Ina-advertise natin sila.
9-6.
9 sticks?
Say lagot.
That's my only book. Oh, bro.
Kawawa.
Yan ko.
Kawawa.
2 sticks.
Ano happened?
They don't play the commercial.
Oh, okay na.
Bukal! What do you need to do?
Say lagot.
6 balls.
Lagot ka. Dirty. It's dirty. Yeah, don't. It's dirty. Yeah, your hands are gonna be dirty. Don't do that, Max. It's dirty. 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 Your hands are gonna get dirty, Max.
1 ball.
Really? For real?
Ang dami nga pala halo. Insekto ngayon. 8-6. Pupunta ka lang na? Hindi ka lang dito.
7 sticks.
Boom!
Max, go.
Oh, 8 sticks.
Dirty. Yeah. So that your hands don't get dirty, ha?
Mas active pa nga yun. Pag nasilip ako sa kanya, siya pa natawag siya, tatay niya, Tata Ninong. Yeah. Yung tatay, nakilata lang eh.
Don't with your hands. Ganda said, your hands is gonna be dirty. Oh. Do not.
9 balls.
Already, 9 balls. Baka kailangan mo. Wala, paisip ka. Tumagal ko rin, dapat may guhat.
Oh, siguro na lang ako.
Say lagot.
Luke!
Huli ka.
Nice.
Say huli ka.
I should give you this, man. That's my safe throw.
Huli ka.
Balls mo rin talaga eh, sa lahat.
Hold on. Watch out.
Huli ka.
Buti na lang sila mix sa likod. Kung sa harap sila, sabi ko, may Pilipino dito ko gabi lang. Ang dadaldalan. Ay, doon ko sa parang makakawala.
8? 4 kami, sir. 4?
Hindi ka na balik press girl.
May joker, ha?
Huli ka.
Kain mo ka may joker, ha?
Dami, sino pinasama mo dito? Wala?
Wala. Kung natuloy yung kagabi eh.
Kala na.
Halo-halo.
The Cleveland lost, right?
Sherwin. Sherwin. Why you drunk, Sherwin? All the players playing great.
Hey, Oklahoma Light too, they said Shea wasn't playing.
Where is it?
Sabi mo rin?
You it. So, ocho.
Wala.
Twerk.
Wala na.
Kilo ka,
Gano?
George. Oh. Tingnan mo kung gaano ka dirty yan.
Come on. Hey, no, it's not. 7? You kidding me?
No surrender.
No, it's 7. No, it's not.
7. 2, 3, 4.
Bola. Hard.
Balls? Diagonal? 3 balls.
Tingnan.
Binili sa mga.
9 ka.
Like that. One ka.
Let me see how dirty. No more. Very good. Very good, Maxi. Kanina, you were like, dirty.
Seven.
Kanina, you were dirty. Na, no more.
Safe.
Careful.
Boy, ito ang kailangan ko.
Nakuha niya na yung kailangan niya yan.
Paano na kung hindi?
Paano kung hindi?
Bakit?
Mabagal talaga ako.
Paano ba? Tumagal na yung sa inyo? Tumagal na yung sa inyo?
Hindi. Bibiro ka lang.
Namin. Para, yun ang gusto namin ni Charles Arma Distract ka.
Luloko ka lang.
Bro, why did you say that?
I told you so.
Should have kept it. Oh!
4 balls.
Hindi, mamaya.
Kanina na pala to.
Rambo. Ito. Puro one na dyan eh. One bird. Tong. Hindi pinapalabas yung ano.
Commercial, hindi nagbayad sa kanila.
Walang bayad, no? Yan, walang bayad, no? No show, man. No pay, no show.
Naka-copyright ang fire stick.
Sabi ng putol.
Mga pala magkano.
9 ball.
Hindi, pwede Tagalog.
Pwede.
Yung English. Ano natin yung pagkapil lang?
Oh, bago, 5 sticks.
Eh,
Wow. Sabag. Four sticks.
Yon! 4 sticks. 6 ka. Yeah. Before the 10th yun eh. 4 sticks. Just gana dito.
2 R.
Yan ako, pinindot ko. Kanina pinost ko lang. Kasi ano, ayos ang
Oh my
dito.
God.
Wala pa lang 2 sticks yun?
Yes, yes.
Yung todas.
Todas.
Talera.
Sure, buti yung todas ko.
Todas nga siya dapat ng 4
4.
sticks eh.
Pinalita, hindi naman kasi lalabas kung hindi mag-aari. Hindi ka mag-a-adjust eh.
Ako walang skalera. 3-6. Okay, okay. $2.
Hindi, pag grocery cash, walang bayad.
Tatlo na yung chips mo pala kanina na ano kung saan. Set it
Uy,
aside.
tatlo na pala rin ako.
Kasi yung chips mo.
Ay,
Hindi ka lugan eh.
Ang bayad mo lang kay Charles 3.
Doon na kaya.
Tatlo na chips mo.
Tapos
Bayad
ano?
ni Levy?
Oo, nagbayad.
Tatlo na rin
Hindi
pala.
tayo. Ay, oo.
Oo, 3. 3 ang bayad.
Bayad naman siya.
Ambisyon.
Yung bayad na.
Ambisyon.
Ambisyon din.
Buti na ako ni Gage, kundi bubunutin ko yun.
Buti na nakasot.
Yung hindi ka mo sa buti tinapon ako yung cellphone. Nakadikit yun sa 2 sticks niya.
Isang set para sa kayo ngayon.
Nakadikit yun sa 2 sticks niya eh.
9.
Oo, mamimili ako kung 7-8 sirain.
9.
Nakadikit sa 2 sticks niya.
Hindi. Parang sige. Ano ba yan?
Yung 3 sticks, nakadikit yun sa 2 sticks ni ano, ni Pinoy.
Dapat natapon na lang. Hindi, mamimili ako.
Mamimili siya kung ano ang break niya.
Ang break ko.
Mamimili siya kung ano break niya, pero nakadikit yun sa ano, sa 2 sticks niya. Kaya lang, mataba utak. Nakita niya na may mga 4, may mga birdie. Aanin niya 2, 3. Di i-break niya na talaga. Pero,
Katamahan ko nga, tinapon ko. Sa akin galing yung 4 sticks eh. Ang aga ko tinapon eh. Saan na pagbunod?
2-3 po sana.
Yan na sabi.
Diba, ang bilis mo kasi. Dapat kasi.
hindi, dumikit lang sa kanya yung ano. Katapon niya talaga 4 sticks. Walang katabi yung 4 sticks niya.
Nung pagbunod ko, dumikit.
Oo.
Busit ko ah.
4 and 2 yun eh.
Dumikit. Ulit mo ah.
Max B! I wanna talk to you, Max B. I don't wanna talk to you.
Drapo, Papa. Drapo, Papa. Ito yung come back here.
Sa password mo.
Dati tingnan mo, dati diba, ano siya, maligayan mo siya na ano lang.
Kaya niya na
Kaya niya
sarili niya.
i-entertain.
Huwag lang antokin.
Kaya ko na to. Ano sa tayo?
Kaya niya i-entertain. Ay, nakawala na.
Huwag lang lamukin.
Na-move.
Ay, nako. Si Freddy ang baka siya nga nakagalaw din yung last
Yung last time, oo.
Last time wala ako ah.
Diba sa ikaw biniblame namin pag wala ka? Marinig mo na sa video. Kasi wala ka eh.
Silipin mo, baka
Get perfect.
Apat na oras sa video na sayang nun.
Hindi ka record.
Naka-record, hindi nakasangge. Hindi
Ako
kita yung tiles
nakasagi.
dito.
But Luke said, no, it's still the
No
same.
more, no more, no more.
Right? Luke,
Yeah.
I accidentally moved it. And Luke said, no, it's still perfect.
Six car.
Ano ito nagbibili sa bago?
Hindi, nakatip na siya.
Look! Race trap. The Joker.
Ay, six car. 8 balls.
Yung last time, pati cards ni Luke, ito eh. Pero kinaprop naman.
You hear that, buddy? Take your card.
Jalo. I was connected to your Tita Sharon's home live.
8 balls.
So, dapat di mo sinikret, 7 pairs na, todo sa 8 balls. So, nakapino. Sabi ko sa'yo.
Ako before the trip.
Magmamadali ka kasi.
Magmamadali
Sabi
ka.
sa'yo eh, nakakain kang madali. Yung sakto lang naman. Pwede mo pa ikutin ng dalawa.
2 balls.
O tatlong ikot. Bago mo baba.
Wala ka doon, Tita Pig. 4 stage.
John, 4 sticks eh. Ay, hindi, tinadasan pa ng 3 sticks.
8 sticks.
Nakatsawa
Oh,
ako sa...
kita mo na, todas ka na naman, oh. Sabi ko sa'yo, Pinoy.
Nakatsawa ako sa 4 sticks.
Ano, ay,
Wala na,
lagpas na.
talpas na, tapo mo na.
Tukar.
Isa ano daw, isa no?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Oh, strawberry.
Sabi, be careful.
Strawberry pala sabi.
Yung si Grimes, oh.
6 balls.
Sino yung si Matthews? Wesley Matthews.
7 ball. Two ball.
Ako, Jeffrey, sinikret mo yata po.
Oo, kasi
Tama, tinignan niya uli.
two car.
Yes, can you see me? Like this.
Ah, shit, tatlo sa akin yun, sir. Damn. Sampung pa ako eh.
Muna.
Oh, yan na po, no? Ay, tama.
Yeah.
Isa daw siya.
What?
Ako wala rin pala, dalawa na natin yun. Pupuruin ko, 4 balls eh.
1 plus 7 ball. Hold on, go there. Check the cabinet.
Akala ko ang tanong niya, ano ang full name ng nanay niya? Kaya sabi ko, ma, are you asking what the full name of your mommy? Yeah. I'm like, huh? Are you asking for the full name?
Are you sure, no?
So, you know.
I got it.
Ikaw. Kaya kayo yun eh. Maligit yung dito na lang.
Ano sabi? Ano daw? It's dirty. Akala ko yung sa tinatanong sa'yo, full name ng nanay niya. Ah, tinatanong mo si Julia sa full name.
Kasi kinabayan na.
Oo, akala ko full name. Sabi ko, ha?
Cover.
Akala ko, babe, what is the full name of my mom? Oh, the dark. But it's dangerous for you pa, Max, kasi you might hit yourself with the ano eh, yeah. Bro, you can't get it. You can't get with the ano. Because
6 brush.
Kuya Luis is right because it's sharp.
6 ako.
Told you,
Ah,
my
okay.
sofa. Ay, lo.
Sige, okay. Ikaw lang. Tabo. Ako na?
Oh, na eh.
Ay, lo.
I only saw one right here.
Oh, okay.
I didn't go. Ibaw.
Pag na natin, cancel.
What? Say, I don't ligo.
Why?
Hoy, pero naliligo yan sa umaga pag pumasok ng school minsan.
Sa tabi na naligo yan, di ba, Levi?
The night before.
Sa tabi.
Mga na niya. Bago pumasok.
Yeah, malo. Hey, thank you.
Or the night before.
Okay. Well, we're doing it. No, don't do that. It's the same, Lou.
You see, one shot.
Oh, wow.
It's a sign, Lou. There's
Why have to?
This one.
Kita na, di ba?
Pwede ba yung usap dito?
Hindi, wow.
Hindi, kailangan kita lang na. Yes, sir. Wala na yun.
Kalahin mo na po pa yun.
Sige, kari ka naman to.
No more?
Haji ba, gano'n? Yan, si Grant ko.
Oh, diba?
6'3".
No 9 straight, no. No. Then 9 straight, you don't have it. Oh, 13. 13.
Oh, you're so quiet, Lou, ha?
I know, nobody wants to drink him. Oh, 14?
Isa lang pala kay Charles, kaya pala eh.
No. Oh, you might have something that
No, not yet. I set it up. Oh, you had 3 Fs. They have 3 E's. I have set it up.
Oh, that's F and E. Oh, that's big.
Oh, Lulu. 90.
60. Oh, wow. Good job, good job. 60. Maybe I need that. What am I doing here?
But Charles, di masyadong ano pag dinikit mo sa ano. Ganito.
Wala, ito Martin.
Stamp.
One boy.
Forgive me.
One second. One second.
No.
1. Oh, there you go. 1, 2.
No, go ahead.
Ay, may ano pala Warriors tsaka Knicks. 5 p.m.
9 balls. Wala si Steph,
Wala.
Wala, wala, wala.
Anong oras?
5, ganyan.
7 car.
Wait.
How many seconds?
I didn't say. What was it?
7 car.
7 4. No, go ahead. Levy would help you.
No, I saw the cards.
Dito na ba?
I know, but
I saw the cards.
you're not gonna teach him what to throw.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Oh, the Todas.
Yeah, I can go down.
Palarin mo.
One card.
Oh,
wait a
wait.
minute.
See, that's why. That's why.
We have 2 jokers.
3 jokers.
Okay. Two car.
Oh, this you're gonna throw that here, probably. I'm gonna prepare it for you. 1 ball. I'm gonna prepare it for you, buddy. Let's take it.
Lou, taking your Torres.
1 already.
Ay, ka, ano?
Here, throw that here, buddy. 6 cards.
The Joker. Nakita ba? 5 speed.
Andre Drummond, no? Captain of the ano, 76.
Ah, si Grimes, oh, sayang, Levy.
Dami ng points, man. Dami ng points.
Points sa kanin. Castings.
Defense siya eh.
Oh my good lord, have mercy. Auto, that's 8 balls.
Yun. Ilang points siya, ano? Kanina mga 50 na siya eh. Before...
Yeah, wala points yan, tsaka steals.
They do good now, huh?
Tsaka 3 points.
Kailangan ni Louie. Most of them. 4 cards.
Oh!
Ano yung ano? 4 stick. One more. I need 1 more stick and then the joker. Okay.
Hang.
15 na 15?
You don't have the same ones. Ano?
No.
Hey, we jinxed it.
You have 5 more Flores, Lou.
She had 3 E's. What are you still looking for, Lou?
3 Fs.
E?
Nobody
F? Oh, wait,
And
just
the
had
3
F.
flower.
Yung ilang?
Oh, you need 4 flower,
Oh,
Lou?
the 4 flowers. Ano,
Wala na
wala
puno,
na.
wala na.
You just need the E.
Oh, da.
Wala na, kasi nahirapan.
Hindi ko siya medyo maanohan eh. Kasi nakita
Bunutin
ko
ko na lang, he didn't throw it away.
Araw-karami
Ang
Pinoy
ganabunutin.
sa
Lou.
Ah, my God.
Ah. Oh, hindi bunot to. This went over.
What? We're throwing a joker there, buddy?
Mother suck. Oh, ito na, Lou. 3 car.
Wait.
No. I'll tell you, Lou, but no.
It's this, right?
Yeah.
And oh, you're doing 7 pairs?
Going on this one.
Wala, hindi pa puro si Lou. He's not puro yet.
Ano pala eh?
Yes, I am. 2 cards.
Oh!
I am puro. Not tomorrow.
No, you're not.
He doesn't believe me. Ano to?
Ay.
Lou, ha?
Ay, you are, Lou.
Lou, ha?
Dituruan nyo na yan. Okay na.
Kasi matotospect to. He
Oh,
think
yeah.
you're not.
Pag kanya pwede tumulong. Kasi,
Yeah, kasi matotospect siya. Kala niya puro siya, but he's not. Ah, see?
Now you're puro.
No, he's not.
Did you take a shot?
Kasi matotospect siya. Totoo siya sa inyo na he's thinking he's puro. He's not.
Okay.
He's thinking na he is, but he's not.
Did you bunot?
Wait, Lou! Lou!
4.
Lou! No.
It slipped out.
No!
Yeah, that's why I said 4.
Yeah, 4.
Oh, see, I'm just gonna bunot this.
Oh,
You said 4, that's
eh,
6.
it's okay, same thing.
Hindi ba siya kasi puro eh.
Oh,
Matotospect siya
man.
kanina eh.
Yeah,
7 car.
Kung inano niya na natotoda siya, ito
Ano ko kasi nilagay dito?
No,
I know.
it's
I thought I
not.
had it set here.
No.
Now I don't.
Kasi natotospect siya.
Buddy, what are you doing?
Mali.
I know it's that.
He's not.
Ay, hindi pala makikita. Sa stream. Chat, sorry, chat. Chat. My
He's
cards,
not
chat.
puro.
Describe the challenge.
Yeah, I have to make it.
Napo na yan eh.
Ding, ding, ding.
John?
Oh, ilan na ito, ha? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Imagine this boy screaming toda.
Oh my God, I need to put it down and then now it's your last.
Now it's getting better, huh?
Kaya pa yun, oh.
Buddy,
Baktakan mo, Grant.
yan na lang, eh. See, important ako din. Malakas pa lang.
Ako, buto talaga galing.
One bow. Oh, wait, tatlo yan. Stick with the floors. I think you have like 2 more floors.
Tingnan na, 3 sticks. Wala pa rin?
Bago yan. Bago yan, 3 sticks. Bago.
Wala. Puro ko. Nakatapong bunot eh. Ay, oo, tapong bunot pala ako.
Oh, yeah.
Tapos pinagpalit ko, 3 sticks yun. Pinagpalit ko.
5 balls. Toda ka na ba?
Toda si Luis.
5 balls?
This is your your pair. Oh,
See, you got me, 369.
your kalagtad.
Yeah, 6, 5, 4. 4, 5, 6, yeah. 4, 5, 6.
Rounding.
Or 8,
Dude, so many
6.
jokers.
See?
Next time.
No, it would have been
Oh my
funny
God,
if you said
no.
todas and you would have been lost because you weren't puro earlier.
Yung bunot lo,
No,
nandun
no,
lo.
yeah. Wala, todas ka din. 4, 5.
Oh, man.
So, sure ka lang yan.
Dahil ka lang
Bunot
siya.
yan, po.
Anything from 4 to 8. 4 to 8.
Kasi malilipasan eh.
4 to 8.
Hindi na alam
What are you
ka
trying to
eh.
wait for? What are you waiting for?
This.
Walang hirap
Six?
mag-joke, joke.
No, I told you this rounding.
Pwede talaga yun.
No, it's not. Hindi naman.
Now you put it together kasi this is the thing.
Ang mali na lang, akala niya puro siya,
Even
nilagay
if
niya
it's
6, 6, 7. But that's
already-
not ano, tospek siya
You
to.
got one more. You got 6, right? You got 6. You got
I was
6.
like, boy.
So just think about it like this. Anything they throw a 8, you throw a 8, boom, you got one joker, todas. They throw a 4, you got a todas. You get what I'm saying? So even if it's a knock. 8, only 8. No, 4 to 8, yeah, 4 to 8. So just put it here. So just look at it like that. Don't see it like this. So yeah. If you have a joker and then
Remember,
you
you
just put
could
your
always
puro.
do rounding.
Yeah.
Not only one end card.
How did you pay? I thought you something. Yeah, must be careful.
How much does your grade have?
Make it 5.
Ah, you do it.
I see it. I was waiting for you. See, I wasn't saying anything when they threw it because I was waiting for
I
you.
did. You sure?
Nobody wants to play a game.
How much does grade Jeff have? 2? Just grade Jeff.
On the
You said
guide.
no, oh, no.
All time wasn't. Staying with me. Told you. Sorry.
And you heard you all the way from the banyo.
Sorry.
Because earlier you weren't puro, no?
No, I told you.
You did, imagine. You would have tossed it.
Hi. Thanks.
I thought you were gonna keep the 6 sticks too. Like, bro, what are you doing?
No.
But it's good that the camera is not on.
No, sabi pa niya, yes I am, yes I am.
Why waiting?
6, 6, 7 is the one that he had at the bottom na buo niya. He thought all, the balls. And I'm like, no, you're not.
You saw it. Hey, why'd you put it together? You saw it.
Yeah, kasi
I'll take it, Bob.
Imagine,
Pangit
screaming
nga
about
ba? Pangit
that.
ang ganito.
Wanna argue with me? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Okay, you are.
Kaya na po na.
No, I just can't tell you what to do. I can tell you if you're...
Kasi take dollar lesson, buddy.
Because you would have had to pay everyone, do.
You should.
Si Pinoy, 7 pairs too eh.
Oh, you what?
Sino na?
Kaya Charles was puro 369 balls.
So yeah, 3 6 balls. You want to already? Yeah.
That's why I can't tell you what to throw.
Yeah,
Ito
no dollar.
yung sa...
Bakit daw?
Hindi ko naman pero...
Max B!
Namigay na ng ligay.
Max B!
Yes. What happened? 7. It's here, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Alam niya matatalunan niya, no?
Wow.
Very beautiful.
Maganda.
Joker ganda.
Ah, yes, yes.
9 card.
Basta, oh, is that for me?
No flores.
Pong Pong. Is that for me? Is that for me? Maganda. Oh, thank you. You're so kind.
HD.
Turnover.
Oh shit.
Oh, shoot. Pinong ko kasi.
Hindi ka na pumong eh.
I know.
Pung eh. Alright, let's throw this one then.
Kaya ako nga pinong para bumalik agad sa'yo. May makabunot ka eh.
More than welcome.
Nanalo si Julius Pinoy. Binigyan ko ng $4 sa Flores.
8 card.
Sabi ko kasi hindi ko naman pera to.
Nakahula.
Wait. Ito das? Yeah. Ito das? 1
One
card.
card.
1 card. 1 second.
Put it up. And Levy will tell you if
Oh,
you
yeah,
ito das. Yeah.
Wando ka, bilis mo
For the fifth.
Yeah, puro 2.
Ito.
Oh, 3, 2.
Puro wala rin eh.
Wala rin nakawala.
Puro
Wala.
wala.
For the
Pupunin ko yung kung ano.
Hi,
Oh,
that's
hi.
it.
8 plus bunot, 9. Puro tabalo? Donut.
Kahit walang kang Pinoy ah.
8? Oh man.
That was good, yeah, good card.
I'm gonna pawn that. Yeah, and then I was gonna change my puro to 9 balls.
Good card.
Ah, that's it.
Wow, really?
Ah, but there's the one, no? See?
Oh,
It's okay. Jules got 1 flower right away. So don't be upset.
You got 2 jokers.
Max B, the necklace is for me. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Ayun, Levin, yung ulit pipiliin dapat pinag-milk yan ba? Dahil wala siya this time, no?
Oh, yeah.
Ano pa
To do, buddy. Why no? Because
What do you mean?
You got it already?
Sino yun? Arlo?
No. Here, that was here.
I got it.
Like this. See, so I'm trying to do.
Okay, yeah.
No more.
No Flores again.
Ito.
He does, he does.
Yeah, see, ito, pag sinabi ko lang yung bayad ko sa araw. No problem.
Hindi ko pera to eh.
No
It's your budget's money, so I'll be giving everything away. I paid them $2 earlier, not flour.
What's turn?
Your turn. Charles,
No more.
sir.
No more. No more to do?
I have one more.
No more.
No mas. 4, 8, 12, 16.
It's your turn?
Hindi tayo.
Yes.
There, right?
That's the flour, yeah. You're gonna get 13
No, no, no.
No, wala. You have Ilo?
Yes.
Oh, I hate you.
And yes, of course, of course. Car.
I told you you look there first.
5 car. 5 car.
Ew.
We can hit hindi pa mo. No. 5 car.
Like,
Yeah,
4 car.
Scoot.
Too many jokes.
4 car.
This is what you need to do. Okay.
Oh,
Don't chow in here, huh?
Use it now.
Don't chow. You don't need it.
Talabi?
Charge daw siya. Sa'yo lang.
Ano nakita niyo? Was that 9 sticks?
What's your teacher's name?
Kita to?
Yep.
Dito yung tapon niya, di ba?
Nakita na.
Wong, 1 car.
Wala. Busy sa kayo lahat.
Miss Khalid?
Abib.
You have a lot of people.
One car.
Ano? Busy sa kayo. Sabi ko.
Oh,
Yun,
it's
hindi
dead.
did it.
Hey.
Dead.
Where did you get the 4 car that I showed? Don't need it.
Say you didn't throw me the 4 car, you threw me 3.
Football? What's football?
Oh my God.
You just got my E's. Oh my God, no, my E's.
Your east? Oh, I don't. You have 3?
Yeah, I have 3. You have 1, I think. There's something flying.
I know. 8 sticks. Yeah. Wala eh.
Para doon daw talaga.
1, 2, dead. Kasi gari. Ginawa niya kasi yung 1 car eh. Dead.
Should have said 4. I would have
No, 1, 2, dead.
Alright, here you go, guys. Enjoy your
1, 2, dead.
9 car.
1, 2, 3. Good. Oh.
No.
Nice.
It jumped.
Jump lang. Ano kinulang?
Alam mo, Levi, bulit. Pabuti na lang.
At least, nangyari yun. Oh, ano pa?
Easy. 4 sticks.
9 car. Kung ano na tinatapon ni Julius, yung nagtatapon ko.
9 car. 8 the 6. 8 the 6.
Make the sticks. Sticks the 8?
Yeah.
Needed that earlier, but you didn't throw it. See? You still need?
Mga apat na yan.
You still need?
Oh, ilan na? Tatlo na.
Hindi.
Dalawa?
Andun pa tayo.
Ay, patay pala doon.
Kung hindi na F.
No, that's 69. Yung sa pang Sigma.
What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Oh, 3 dollars.
Todo. Hintay ko mabumulat kasi lalaki.
Ang ano, andito nakita ko yung birdie, oh.
Hinihintay niya?
Tagal, oh. Hindi, kakang lang. Sabi ko, ang tagal, oh. Because I saw it, it fell earlier. I was like, where is it?
Oh, yeah.
Jeffrey lang, kasi ikaw na, kumakain ka pa naman.
Oo.
3.
Gusto ko nga matulog yung luma. Katulog yung ganyan laro mo.
Ay, Tito Julius pa.
Hindi naman nilagay ko nga pera ko, sabi sa'yo, eh.
Kaya nga, nilinig ko si Levi kagabi eh. Noon, tutulog ako. Sinag-aaralan pala niya. Kala ko hindi ko makikita yung 7 pares eh. Hindi na, haircut na ako eh. Gusto mo? Pumay ka mati.
Mapungay ba ang iyong mata, Max Babe?
Marami na heart.
Give it to me then.
100 O's.
Dollars or... Ano daw?
Gusto naman? No, may.
Oh.
3 7.
Nasira?
Na ano?
Nasay pa kang ba?
Na dunk?
Ano ka na lang yung nagkakura ni Max? Binagdala.
Nalalambiti yan.
No more.
Na dunk?
Oh, tama yan. Ano naman tayo? NBC.
NDDP.
Tapos maglalaro si Steph.
Naglalaro ba? Sabi yata, hindi na to.
Tumor.
No mas.
Bago to, saan to ba?
Certain ka na?
Don't jinx it, buddy.
He just did.
Is it?
Thank you.
I think it does.
It is.
Yeah, 13.
Is it?
6, 6 plus 1.
Alright,
2,
go.
4,
No,
6,
go.
8, 7, 12.
Uy, boss, yung nadasan kanina.
Oh.
Oh.
Ba't hindi mo may sa gitna?
3 yun eh. 3 yun eh. Oh.
Bigyan nyo nga yan, ito. Hindi makapag-concentrate.
3 yun eh.
Ano kailangan natin?
Ang dami men. Iba-iba eh.
Dalawa-dalawa lang eh.
What is it? 5 ball.
5 volts, 5 volts. What? You get me?
Palaki yung ano eh.
Ayun, nakawala tuloy.
Ano nakawala car?
Hindi
Oh,
ako eh.
on car.
Oh, shoot. Should I get it, no? Kailangan natin 8 sticks.
Full car also. When I was counting it earlier, 1, 2. Then,
H.
road. Road long, road. Road.
Ano natin?
2 balls.
Oh, joker?
Tatlo na itong balls.
Yeah.
Bird.
Kanina tatlo ganyan ko inaantay ko dun sa Flores. Kasi almost
Kaya
there.
natin yan men.
5 6.
For secret kasi almost there.
Ano natin yan? Ano pa?
Almost there. 3 car.
3 car.
It was like 2 more. 2 more bunot, Lu.
Ano?
Mhm.
2 6.
2, 3, 4. Put it in front, Lu. Yeah.
2 6. Eight balls.
You'll see. Nakay Pinoy?
Hindi, may yun.
Nako, nagalaw na naman nila. Hindi, okay lang. Tignan mo nga.
One ball.
Pong.
Oh, kung di ko nasipa, hindi ka makapong.
2 6.
Kung ano, hindi mo nasabi.
Masipag.
Dali sa
One ball.
Yan, diretso na.
should have waited.
Nakakita din sa Jerry.
How did you know, buddy?
Hindi na pwede pa ano.
Would have been Tito Julius. Would have been that Lu. Yeah, hindi.
Hindi, para kita yung kasi naman. Pag mataas.
Mataas.
Para kita buo. Yung
Seven
ganun.
car.
Para kita buo.
Kita.
Ah.
Pati yung tapon.
Wow.
Kasi yung picture mo kita nito eh.
7 6.
Video ka dalawa oh, kita. No.
Ito na guys, what you all have been waiting for. 6-6. Told you what you've been waiting for, but I have no choice. If I throw the 9, Todas also. See? You've all
You threw
been
the 9?
waiting
Yeah,
for.
okay, Todas.
Oh, see?
You told us to?
I just had to pick
Sige,
one.
isa ka.
I just had to pick one, Lu. 6 or 9.
Dito na ako sa pinagkaiba mamaya pag pera niya nilalaro, magaling na.
Bro, don't count. I'm not half. Good, no more space.
Are you counting, Lu? Don't count.
No more space, bro.
No more space na. Wow.
Me? How many is that? You know, start.
Sige ako. Oo, nais ko kasi yun eh.
Ano mo ganito lang nila.
Yun naman ulit.
Oo, ginalaw.
Nabalik pa.
Hindi, hindi ba isa sa gilid.
Nilapit niya.
Nasa gilid doon kasi, gilid na gilid. So, hindi ako nga yan. Kaya inano ko. Duro.
Hindi mo ano yan men. Malalaman ko kung todo ako.
Huwag mong ano yan.
Yan.
Ha?
Yan.
Huwag mong, ano tawag daw? Huwag mong,
Wait.
oo.
Tospek kung tospek.
Tayo na minsan ginawa ko, nalito ko.
Si Lunga, hindi naayos, natodas eh.
Sobrang ayos ka ako.
Nalito ko.
Dito na yan. Dito na yan. Wala na.
Loyo.
Lu.
Lumas.
Ano ko di mo ano eh.
Hindi nga nga. Inaayos ko ba? Hindi ka naman inaayos na.
Lumas, everyone.
Wala na, wala na.
Kahit hindi ko ayusin.
Lumas.
Ang gulo eh. Kahit hindi ko ayusin, magulo eh.
Uy.
Wampo no, Joker.
6, 5, 6. Yeah.
Langan ko na naman eh.
Nako! Oo nga, andun oh. Sira.
No, yung nakita ko nga.
Oo, yung 1 ball. Nine car.
Eh, ito pala eh, dapat dito ko nilalagay. Kasi ganyan. Parang hindi ko maturo yung good. Diba? Sorry, ganyan.
No reaction on camera?
Ano, it's 40. Ano yan, pang bagyaw.
Pang-
Bagyaw ka dyan ha.
Panggulo.
Pag nakuha ko ito, may itotodos ko na. Hindi na.
Oh my God, 9 card.
Wala na.
Magpapatumpik-tumpik.
Hindi na itotodos, wala nang itotodos. Kahit ano mabubunas ko itotodos ko. Yung secret.
Okay, Jeff, nagsigurad hindi nagpapabayad. Nagsigurad hindi nagpapabayad. Kami pa binabayaran.
Kailangan na lang isang pares eh.
Oy, oh, I'm sorry.
Pinaikot ko.
I'm sorry.
Ayaw.
I'm sorry.
Ano pa yun?
I'm sorry, Luke. I'm sorry.
Pinaikot.
Sorry.
Oh,
Excuse me.
that's a sign, buddy.
What? He's trying to curse me? No, he's trying to curse me.
Hindi ka makakawa.
Pinaikot.
Trying to curse me or
See,
something?
that's a sign, ha?
Doing something to me? What, sure?
Titingnan mo may thinking talaga to. Kalahating milyon.
8 balls.
Ano siya? Kalahating milyon.
Ayan.
Hindi. Magkano siya to? Kay boss to.
Ako, 9 card. Tatlo na. Tatlo na yan.
Loot, 9 card. Loot, 9 card.
What did you say, Luke? What did you say? Huh? The what? Huh?
No, Levin.
The what?
Ay, spaghetti.
Death. That's why I asked you, what did you say? Dead?
Okay,
You got it?
Sabi?
Birdie.
Nagsabi na inaantok na?
Hindi na tatay yan.
Why?
Oo.
Hindi ba pwedeng inaantok habang natatay eh? Ikaw rin mukhang inaantok ka rin, natatay mo ang tatay ka na rin.
Buti kami hindi ka naman inaantok pero mukha ka natataya.
Isa lang isa dalawa.
Oh my.
Pero pati tayo naman dyan ba?
Nahihiyak kumain sa iba.
Come siya. 4 card.
Nahihiyak kumain sa iba.
4 card. What you want?
Nagiging ganyan pa yan. tignan mo.
Oh, 1 card.
Ah, wait.
Wala pa na. Kay boss? Bang nga.
Flores. Ano ba? You guys are talking to each other?
Oh, ano na? Ay,
Apat yun, yes.
oh, sige, sige. Mga anong oras?
Apat.
Piso agad doon? Oo,
Pre,
Oh, sige, sige, sige. Nagte-text na si, ano, si Roy. Talo na naman yata.
Trece.
Sige, sige. Ano, hindi ko lang alam.
13 flores.
Oh, sige, sige, sige. Text ka na lang pag
Pinoy ako, binayaran ka,
copy
Chips.
ito ano. Ano, upgrade
Saan ka
yan.
sa kanya?
9 ball.
Ito na ba? Ano, ano? Laban natin.
Dalawa na yan.
Buti mo. Sige pare, ikaw kumuha na rin.
Ano lang naman ako. Napagdito, di ba?
Sino ba yan? Spicy? What toothpaste?
Right.
Gula?
Uy, soda na pwede.
Sugatin ba natin? Ano?
Gula? Pwede, pwede. Pwede ito dati. 8 sticks.
Hindi kita ko yung first one.
Ay, hindi kita yung mga. Oh, sige, yan.
Pinapinasin ba natin dito?
Tudasin na, tudasin. Lahat, tudasin na eh.
2 sticks.
Oh,
Pinutin natin. Mabubunot natin.
Baka ito, kasunod.
Baka ito.
Ako baka ito. So,
Ikaw lang yung
kailangan mo. Baka ito sa
Bunutin mo na. Papayag ka, dos lang.
Dapat 3.
Ito muna.
Dapat 3.
Nasa bunutin lang ito, my boy.
Ah, may tutodas dito men. Alam ko, may tutodas dito. Yeah, may tutodas. Nabasa ko na.
Bakit? Tama lang.
Yeah,
hindi, yan.
Kasi wala doon?
8 car.
people man.
Pong lang.
Pagkakasabi niya pa, sipong.
Ayun, 9 sticks.
Kang.
Oh, nagbayad pa tayo.
Ang lang, kaya wala ka nakikita.
Kaya nalaman ko, nakatiwala sa akin eh. Siyempre ba? Hindi kinupyan mo.
Hindi, may buo na yun.
Hindi nga.
Hindi, tama nga yan.
Pero
Kaso lang, oh.
Ah, hindi ko pinong yan.
Pupong lang yan, pupong lang.
Eh, escalera siya eh. 4, 5, 6 na yun eh.
no, tsaka apat lang yan. 4 pairs lang yan, guys.
Walang joker.
4 pairs lang yan, guys. That's only 4 pairs.
Nakawala yung isang line.
Oh, 7 card. 4 pairs lang yan.
7 ka. Tatlo, ay, may like
Buti nga.
Wala na po. Wala na po.
Okay, 9. Okay, 9. Ito.
Buddy, hindi mo ako tinuturuan.
Ito siguro ito dahil.
One ball.
Ayun na. Ah, wala. Ay, di na doon.
1, 2. Kaya tsaka meron yan dito, nakapagnalaglag.
Mahuli ka.
Yung isa, diba?
Sige pa.
Meron yan dyan, nakita ko.
Ito na.
Eto na.
Kaya si Spencer,
Eto
pick up
na.
niya.
Magkapatid ba yan? Yung nasa ano?
Sa Memphis. Pero mas, mas pinasa Memphis.
Mas magaling sa Memphis.
Hindi ba? I mean, siguro sa
Ano,
kita.
Matt?
Eto na.
Come,
Black
come.
na apat na daan sa endless.
Sige, 6.
No, no.
Overtake ang
One bird. You win. May one ball ako kita ng escalera ako. Ano pala ito si Sal?
Ano to?
Hindi, kung may joker, hindi, wala joker.
Kasi mga joke.
I think it's a donut though.
Diyan, ano ba yung camera kay Jajel Fernando?
Ano yan?
Yung binablock niya yung NLEX.
You have 632.
No, I have 4, 5, 6.
Ano yung secret
Ang
niya?
mobile text
Ano yung secret niya?
4 balls.
Four balls? Oh my God, see? Buti na lang, tinapon ko ako ito eh.
Si Vinny. Patay.
7.8.
Binaban ng ano, binaban ng bakit.
Kasi, kaya doon pala yung four. oh.
Kaya tawag ni Jambik, binanatan.
Hindi mo rin kasi kayo makaeskalera.
Oo.
Saka mahirap ano yun ang para na i-set pares mo nang wala kang
Totoo pala, Charles.
Kaya tignan mo,
Totoo
ano
na.
na lang, secret at saka kak. At least kumabig pa dun.
Nasa DILG siya may...
Ha? Sa'yo yun.
Yeah, I think it's a donut. I need
Eh, biruin mo doon, 450 kinabig ko.
Kami puro, like when I threw the 5 stick, yeah. I just didn't have a pair because I
Hindi,
counted.
sa ano,
I did the one car, and then Tito Sharon threw it, so I have a joker, so let me just carry it. I have a joker, so you know I can still make way.
Four pairs. Pupunta ka sa school bus?
Oh, naka-charge. Naka-charger.
Oh, just charge it here. Power bank.
Naka-charger.
Where?
No, I want you to stay, Maxi.
Ang dali tapos.
Ganun pala yung charger ni charger dito.
Meron dyan eh. Sino ba?
Ako,
Ay,
kala ko
yan.
man.
Ikaw ang una, ikaw.
Ako.
Hindi, Tito Sharon.
Wala kang charge. Let's charge it, Maxi. Yan, may charger ka ba ng iPad?
iPad?
Yeah, you should.
Type-C ko eh.
Dito din sa may power bank.
Kahit ito,
Type-C lang.
Look, can you...
No.
Type C, that's right.
Type C
You have to
na
say
ako.
here.
Hindi, yung ano, hindi, yung pala.
Yung new version.
Oh, there, sit there, go.
Luyo?
Wala na, wala na.
Luke, did you get? Oh, you got it all.
Lagi lang, dito ang kuhan mo ha. Yan na siya, nag-search yan.
Wala na.
Abada, 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 abada. Abada, 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 abada. Tomas, everybody. Luke, can you ballot, please? Thank you. 60 bills. 90. What's my one?
Which one?
Flower. Number 1.
Still in the bunot.
Kailangan ba yung charger dito? Dito meron dito.
This is
This is the bunutan, that's flower. Or the flower is blue.
Hindi naman ang ganun.
Hindi, nag-search, di ba?
Hindi.
What is this? What is this? 4 balls.
Eh, hindi nakasaksak eh.
Hindi, meron naman sa loob, di ba? Nandoon.
Diyan yata may saksakin mo, no? Isa nakasaksak yung...
Okay?
Ano?
Hindi sa loob, kailangan tanggalin yung ano, yung case.
Oh.
Tinutulak niya.
S. Oh, good.
Oh, you got it?
S. Yes, great.
I don't have it.
Oh, okay.
Yayabangan ako, nakatago eh. Kung pwede na. Alam mo kung gusto.
I just need ano.
Kinamura niya.
Nangalan.
Hindi, sa bisita pa
The
lang.
one,
Oh.
ano.
One second. Sidecar.
Yeah. Phone? Phone out here.
Sidecar. CA.
Get it.
One below.
Nice.
One car.
Wait. Gusto ah.
Is this one?
No? This one.
Birdie.
Hindi ka siya ang toda.
No? Just ano. 3 car. Pagluwas may cook.
Which two car?
Ano.
Ay, yung otat din to.
So I threw the one.
Ay, ikaw ba't na mo?
Number 6.
Ay, hindi, okay.
3 space.
Three sticks, buddy. 3 sticks.
Nasaan yung ano, yung power bank?
Hindi, kilabi yun. Kilabi yan. Kilabay. Oh, Steph's not playing?
And Draymond.
8 stick.
How come? Injured?
Catering. That's been out for a while now, huh, Chuck?
Wow, wow, wee. Wow, wow, wee. Comment card.
Pwede na to, ha?
Pag
One
9
ball.
sticks,
Di ba?
pag 9 sticks, tatlo. Pag 1 ball, dalawa lang.
Oh, bago.
Pag 9 sticks, tatlo. Pag 1 ball, 2.
Oh. Sige. 4 sticks.
That's 1 only. And no one still has my one.
5 balls.
1 flower, my 1 flower, my 1 flower.
Soda?
No.
Oh, wait.
My 1 flower.
Ano pala?
Home.
You want pala?
Mhm.
Two jokers.
Oh.
5, 6, 7.
Hindi, ito sa akin. Oh.
7 balls?
Yeah, soda yun.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No, but I wouldn't have thrown it. I'd keep that. Because I would get the ano, right? The 7 balls. I wouldn't have thrown that. I'd keep it. Oy, Pinoy ko na, oh!
Sino dito na?
Alis ka na ba?
Hindi pa. Ay, bago laro ka?
Hindi, pera mo pa yun eh.
Hindi, dito na lang.
Oh my God, the low guys. Dead career.
Hello, dead?
Yeah. 5% for my baby. What am I gonna do with my
10,
life?
yun, Luis.
Wait.